Now, if you're going for local variables, a variable which is declared inside the body, okay na? Inside the body. So which can be called to local variables. So which can be called to local variables. Example, if you go for that, so def add. So def is a function. I'll tell you, we'll discuss it later. So int x equal to 20, y equal to 20, z equal to x plus y, right? X plus y. So I can call that function, right? So x plus y. So print z, right?
Z.
Now I can declare one more function, def subtraction. Okay now? Subtraction. X equal to 30, something like x equal to 30, y equal to 30, z equal to x minus y. Okay na? X minus y. Now print z. Okay na? So if you want to call add subtraction. Okay na? So these are the two methods. So add. Now if you are this is called as a local variable, mean that we have been declared the variable inside the method. Okay na? Inside the method. These are called local variables. Now for example, if I declare these two outside the method, if I declared here like now, can I call the same thing to the subtraction also? Can it
Yes.
possible to call the same x comma y to subtraction?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, we can. Because
So
it's global.
that is called global.
Global.
So if I declare the variable outside the method, that can be accessible to any other methods in the same class. This is called local variable.
Global.
So local variable, and this is called global variable. So and can be called to any other methods. Global variable. This is called as a global variable. So if you go for that example, is just yeah, this is called global local. So local variables and the global. Actually, in Java we use public and static, private, right? Public and private variables. Okay, na? Now the next we'll go for user inputs in Python. So do you have in Java idea? Anybody is having idea in Java? In Java, whenever using user input, mean that user needs to enter something values. User needs to input the values. There we use a function called scanner, right? So here we are not using any scanner. Direct we can use input box, input. Please enter the value. Input is a function which is used. It is a predefined function. It is a predefined function which the user needs to enter something text on the text box. So here user inputs, nothing but user input. Here input is a function. Input is a predefined function which is used to which the user to take the inputs from the user. Okay, so defaultly user input in the type is, you can use integer in the form of a string value only. See, for example, in Python, what you are going to use? Name equal to input of enter the name. Print your name. The name which you entered is the name which you entered is name. That's all. Okay, na? Got it? So if you want to get the type of that element, print type of name, type of the name. So it may give that whether it is which type of enter you want to enter. So just I'll show in Python. Then we'll go with PyCharm also. Python 3.10. And here in this x equal to input of enter the name. Enter the name. Okay, na, madam?
Yeah.
Print type of name. Why it is showing error? Type of X, right? Not name. Type of X. That is a string value. So the name is the string value which you entered. So that's the type which you want to enter. User can also enter the integer values. Integer values. For example, if you want to enter some integer values, we use x equal to int of input, enter the name, enter the roll number, enter the roll number. Okay, na? Enter the roll number. Okay, print x. Why it happened? One more traces, right? Oh, sorry. 12. Okay, na? Actually, there is error, but still it is in quotations, no? So it is printing out x value 12. Okay, na? So if you want to enter the string directly, we can use input. If you want to enter some integers, we need to use int of input. Int of input. So for strings, we use integer input of enter the string. Enter the string. For integers, we use int of input of enter the roll number. Okay, na? Enter the roll number. This is how we are going to enter. Even if you want to enter the character, something like if you want to enter some username and password, same thing, we can use it out. See, for example, if you want to enter the username and password, so what we can do is, so x equal to input, enter the username, Mercury. Next, y equal to input of okay, na?
Yeah.
Print of type of x, print type of y, okay. Similarly, integers also. If you want to add two integers, so we use x1 equal to int of input, enter the value, enter the first value, x1, something like 12. Next, y1 equal to int of input of enter the second value, so 23. So x plus y, x1 plus y1. Okay, ma'am? So x1 plus y1. We can print in that, or we can store that in z1 and we can give that value also. X plus y1, print z1. Okay, na? So we can use, there are many ways where we can print the integer values and the string values. Integers and the string values. Okay. Now, if you want to enter the float values, What will happen?
Float. Float of input.
Float of
Input.
Okay. X equal to float of input of enter the marks. Enter the mark 1. So enter the mark 1 is something like 90.009. Okay, madam. Print next.
Print.
Y1 equal to float of input of enter this enter the mark 2 enter the mark 2. So mark 2 is something like 89.909. So print x1
Mark.
print y1. Okay, so this is the float values. So integer values, float values, and the string values. In that way we can use it. Okay, got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Now I want to write a program to add 5 marks, get the total and the percentage using input. Can anybody tell me? Aditya? Mark 1, 90.09. So I'll do one thing. So we'll write that as mark 1 equal to int of, we can write float of input of enter the first mark. Enter the first mark.
First mark.
Oh, we need to get only one, right? What happened? Float of integer of okay. So there we use single quotes, here also we need to use double quotes. Okay, madam. So mark 1, 90.09. Okay, next print mark 2 equal to float of input of enter the second mark is 45.90. Okay, next mark 3 equal to float of input of enter the third mark.
We are given single quote.
Mark 3, 56.90. So now total equal to mark 1 plus mark 2 plus mark 3. Okay, madam. Mark 3.
Yeah.
Total will be mark 3. So print total. Okay, madam. Next percentage equal to total by 3 into 100. Can I write like this? Or if I use by 3. So print percentage. Okay, madam, got it?
Yeah.
So this is how to work on getting the student marks, getting the total and the final percentage using input values. Okay, Aditya? Hello?
Yeah.
Any doubts?
No.
If you have any doubts, you can ask me.
No.
Okay, I'm giving the examples, just you can practice with this. Okay, na? So these are all the inputs in Java. Next, what are the keywords present in Python? I think you've been working a keyword, right? Keywords, or you can say it as predefined, or you can also call system defined, or all are the same. All are the same. For example, you want to enter some value using an integer. Integer is a data type. It is a predefined. It is a system defined. It is a keyword. Whatever we are using, that built-in functions which you are retrieving from this system, those are called system defined. User defined are nothing but whatever variable we are declaring, those are called user defined functions. Here the keywords the keyword which is predefined in the library is called keyword, or the word, you can say it as keyword. The word which is defined, you can say it as the word which is defined from the defined in the library is called as a keyword, and this keyword cannot be used for declaring the variable. So this keyword cannot be used for declaring the variable, for assigning any value. Example, in Java we use integer x equal to 10, right? Now similarly we can't use int equal to 10. Int equal to 10. This is an invalid.
Invalid.
Invalid. Now when you go for Python, in Python, so we can declare it as int equal to 10, since there is no data type. Okay na? Data type. And this int will be assigned, or will be considered as a variable. Now variable as a considered as a variable. Now if we want to get the value type, we use type function. So syntax is print type of data type. Okay na? Type of data type. Okay na? So this is how we are going to work on. So these are all the next. Now can you list out what are the data types present in the anybody?
Int, float.
What are the types of data types we are having?
Primitive and non-primitive.
True, false, def, integer is not there. We are not having any class name. Class is a data type. Okay na? Class is a data type. PyTest, when you are using like that, will say unit test. These are all the different types of data types. Okay, these are all the keywords. Any other things which you get from? For, if, while. We don't have any do while, right? Next, else. Next.
Switch.
Next. Which is there? Which? No, which?
Switch.
Okay, we can do it. Next, any other things? Input is a keyword. Right? Just now use. Integer is a keyword. Float is a keyword. Next, double. We are not using any double over here. So these are all the different types of data types. These are called as a predefined or system defined, or we can also call them as a keywords. Okay na? We can call them as a keywords. Okay, Aditya?
Yeah.
If I'm going very fast, just let me know. Now we'll see types of operators. These are all small things which you can log it out. Now will come some most important operators. What is meant by operator? Operator and intent. What do you mean by operator? What do you mean by operator?
Which is used to
Assigning a
perform some operation.
Okay, it is a special symbol. Okay, symbol which is used to perform certain operations by using mathematical or logical. So it's a special symbol which you are going to perform some operations. Example, x plus y equal to 10. For example, we'll consider this x plus y. Here, x and y are called operands. Okay, na? Operands. Plus comma equal to are operators. 10 is a constant. Okay, na? 10 is a constant. So x plus mean whenever you want to perform some operations, we need to take some operands and we need to perform some operations on the operands, and we need to get the result as integer or a float or a constant or a string or whatever it may be. So here x and y are operands, plus and equal to our operator, and 10 is a constant. So there are different types of operators are there. There are different kinds of operators are there. The first type is type of operators. The first one is called as arithmetical operator. The second one is called as relational operator. The third one is called as logical operator. The fourth one is called as assignment operator. Assignment operator. The next one is called as increment or decrement operator. Increment and decrement operator. Decrement operator. Next, we can also call it as some extras are there. Membership operator. Membership operator. And the last one is called as identity operator. Identity operator. So I'll tell you what is this two. Not in, is, not in. There are 4 conditions are there. Depending upon the condition, we'll use that. That we'll see it out later. So first, for the time being, we'll see arithmetical operator, logical relational operator, logical operator, assignment operator, increment operator, and decrement operator, membership operator, and identity operator. These are all the different types of operators we are given. Now, first one will go for arithmetical operator. What are the different types of arithmetical operator? Now we'll see. Symbol plus addition. So addition is x plus y.
Plus y.
Minus subtraction x minus y. Star multiplication. Slash division x slash y. Percentage. X is component, actual called exponent, will call as an exponent is also there. So that we'll see. So these are all the different types of operators. See, here we can use the operators. So what are the types of operators we are having? X equal to 10, y equal to 20.
20.
So print addition of 2 values. Okay, na? Next, print subtraction of 2 values. Okay, madam. Next.
Yeah.
Print multiplication of okay. Next. Division of two values. Division of two values. Print division of two values. Okay, na? So these are the
Yeah.
arithmetical operators which you are going to perform using so example. Next. Next, we can use relational operators. What are the relational type of operators are there? Greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. All these will comes under relational operators. It comes under relational operators. Can you tell me what is the difference between double equal to and equal to? Anybody?
Double equal to is for comparison.
Hmm. Single equal to?
Assignment.
Is it correct? It will return true or false.
True.
Okay, na?
Yeah.
Now, less than. Okay, so now if I use now we'll try to work on all these operators now. See, I'll show you the first example. X equal to 2. For example, x equal to 2. Okay, madam. Y equal to 3. I am giving x double equal to y. If I use what it is showing?
False.
False. If I give x equal to y, we can't give equal to operator there. Now, where do we use x equal to y and x double equal to y? Anybody?
X double equal to Y is to check the condition.
Sure. Okay. You are saying that X double equal to
Double
Y.
equal.
Previously it showed false. Now it is showing true. Why? Okay. If I give X equal to 20, Y equal to 20, madam. Now tell me what is the difference between.
Here it's taking the value, is assigning the value of Y to X. X equal to Y. X double equal to Y is like checking the condition.
It's checking
Is
the
it the
condition.
condition?
Okay, I'll show you this. If X equal to Y, can I? Now see, here condition, whenever you're using if condition, X double equal to Y, we need to mention like this. Okay, madam?
Yeah.
Okay, madam? Got it?
Yeah.
So X equal to 20, Y equal to 20. Now we'll go with X. Can I write like this? Now how do you check it? X1 equal to Y1. Aditya?
One equal to y1.
Double equal to already checked out. Now I want to check with X equal to Y.
X equal to Y, it is assigning the value, right?
In Python, we are having only double equal to, madam. There is no single.
Okay.
In Java, we are
Okay.
having equal to, comparison equal to here. But here we are having only double equal to only.
Double equal to.
Double equal to.
Okay.
And if we have one more equal to called not equal to is also there. X1 not equal to Y1. Okay, na? See, automatically print the value. We can give the condition also. If X1 not equal to Y1, we can give like this also. Whenever you're using not equal to, see, if X1 not equal to Y1, in that case we can use print not equal. Else print equal. Okay, madam? Equal, na?
Yeah.
Okay. This is how we are going to work with the relational operators, madam. These are called relational operators. The next one is called logical operators. The next one is logical operators. And greater than or equal to we can use na? So you can use directly X greater than or equal to Y1. Okay, na? X1 less than or equal to Y1. We don't need to give the condition. We don't need to check the condition. If condition, directly you can give that. X1 greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to, we work with that. Okay, na? Not equal to, we work it. Now we'll go for logical operators. Logical operators. Shh. Hey. Logical operators. So what are the logical operators we are having? And or not. Okay, and or not. When do you use and or not? Tell me. Anybody?
When we want to check in between the conditions,
Hmm.
multiple conditions.
Okay. Examples. When do you use anybody, madam?
It will check the condition, and if it is
Hmm.
and it will return true only if both the conditions are
Hmm.
correct. I mean, like
Hmm.
both the operands are true.
I want to go to movie. I want to listen the class. What will happen? I want to go to movie and I want to listen the class. Mean that both the conditions should be satisfied.
Satisfied.
I want to go to the movie. I don't want to go to class. Or you can see the class tomorrow. It's no problem. We want to first day, first show, movie, first time. Or okay. The third one, not. What is not? I don't want to go to movie. I don't want to listen to us. I want to sit at home. Not. Yes. X greater than Y and X greater than Z. Right? So mean that X should be greater than Y and X should be greater than Z. That is a end condition. Or X greater than Y or. It may be X greater than Y or X greater than Z. It may be any condition.